To replace the power cord on your range, first unplug the old cord if still intact. Next, remove the screws securing the retaining clip and the grounding wire to the rear panel. Now depress the tabs on the cord connector to release the old cord. Prepare the new power cord for installation by transferring the retaining clip from the old cord to the new one. Now snap the new connector into place and reinstall the screws to secure both the retaining clip and the grounding wire. You're now ready to plug the new power cord in and confirm that the range is working properly.